The International Emergency Economic Powers Act, or IEEPA, is a U.S. federal law passed in 1977. The law grants the President powers to regulate America's international trade. And under what circumstances can it be applied? According to the law, in the face of an unusual and extraordinary threat from abroad to U.S. foreign policy, national security, or the economy. That is, during times of declared national emergencies with respect to such threats. The law authorizes the President to investigate, regulate, or prohibit any transaction in foreign exchange and properties that are controlled by another country or foreign nationals. It also gives the President authority over financial transactions and property in which any foreign country or individual has any interest. Beginning with Jimmy Carter in response to the Iran hostage crisis, American presidents have invoked the law to protect the U.S. interests by freezing or blocking assets of adversarial foreign governments or certain foreign nationals abroad. In May 2019, President Donald Trump threatened to use those powers to place tariffs on imports from Mexico, in a bid to force a U.S. neighbor to do more to curb illegal crossings at their border.